Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Erna Safitri. I'm from class management 22DX. Here I will presentation about introduction to aspek hukum. Aspek hukum is a comprehensive legal framework that governs the complex interplay of right, obligation, and principles within the Indonesian legal system. This introduction will provide an overview of the key elements and significances of aspek hukum. Definition and scope of aspek. Definition: aspek hukum refers to the overarching set of laws, regulation, and judicial production that collectively shape the legal landscape in Indonesia. Scope: aspek hukum that encompasses a wide range of legal domains including civil law, criminal law, commercial law, and administrative law among. Significance: understanding the nuances of aspek hukum is crucial for navigating the complex legal environment and ensuring compliance within the Indonesian jurisdiction. Principles and foundation of aspek. Number 1. Fairness and equity. Aspek hukum is rooted in the principles of fairness and equity, ensuring that the law is applied consistently and without bias. Number 2. Rule of law. That is, aspek hukum upholds the fundamental tenet of the rule of law where no individual or entity is above. Number 3. Respect for human. Aspek hukum recognizes and safeguards the fundamental human right of all individuals within the Indonesian legal framework. Number 4. Separation of aspek hukum, that is, ensures the clear separation of powers among the legislative, executive. Next, key aspect of aspek. Number 1. Civil law. Aspek hukum govern the right and obligation of individual and organization in civil matters such as contract, property, and personal injury. Number 2. Criminal law. Aspek hukum defines criminal offenses and the corresponding punishment, ensuring the protection of society and the rule of law. Number 3. Administrative law. Aspek hukum regulates the relationship between the government and its citizens, ensuring accountability and transparency in public administration. Practical application of aspek. Number 1. Litigation. Aspek hukum guides the judicial process from filing lawsuit to speaking legal remedies and business compliance. Aspek hukum ensures that business operate within the legal framework, mitigating risks and maintaining public administration. Aspek hukum governs the action and decision of government agency, ensuring transparency. Law enforcement. Aspek hukum provides the legal foundation for law enforcement activity, protecting individual rights and public safety. Next, challenge and limitation of aspek. Number 1. Complexity. The comprehensive nature of aspek hukum can lead to complexity, making it challenging for individual and organization to fully understand and navigate the legal landscape. Number 2. Interpretation. The interpretation of aspek hukum can vary, leading to potential inconsistencies and legal ambiguities that require careful analysis and judicial review. Number 3. Enforcement. That is, ensuring the effective enforcement of aspek hukum can be a challenge, especially in cases of non-complicated or resistance to legal mandates. Number 4. Adaptation. The rapid pace of social, economic, and technological change can outpace the ability of aspek hukum to adapt, requiring ongoing legislative and judicial update. Emerging trends and development in aspek hukum. Number 1. Digitalization. The increasing adopting of digital technologies is transforming the legal landscape and building more efficient and accessible legal services. Number 2. Sustainability. Aspek hukum is evolving to address emerging environment and social issues, promoting sustainable practices and corporate social responsibility. Number 3. Harmonization. That is, efforts are underway to harmonize aspek hukum with international legal framework, fostering greater cooperation and consistency across jurisdictions. Okay, last conclusion and future significance. Aspek hukum is the cornerstone of the Indonesian legal system, providing a comprehensive framework for the fair and equitable administration of justice. Challenge. While aspek hukum face ongoing challenges such as complexity and enforcement, the legal system continues to evolve to meet the changing needs of future outlook. The future of aspek hukum holds promise with the integration of digital technology, the pursuit of sustainability, and the harmonization of international legal standards. Thank you.